Hey team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage M, the Shopkeeper, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. Bing bong chimed the door as another customer entered. Mondays were often busy, particularly in the mornings. The customer brought 2 bottles of milk and a loaf of bread to the counter. The milk bottle was as cold as the wintry wind that swept through the gap in the door. "That will be $5.40, said the woman. She waited patiently as the customer rummaged in their pockets for exact change. "Here you are," said the customer, smiling. "See you next week." Questions. What sound did the door make? What kind of shop does the shopkeeper have? Describe the weather that day. Why did the shopkeeper have to wait so patiently? Had the customer been to the shop before? Now let's check the answers. What sound did the door make? The sound was bing bong. It says so in the first sentence here. What kind of shop does the shopkeeper have? Well, we could say corner shop, small market, or convenience store, because it's selling items like milk and bread. Describe the weather that day. Cold and windy are 2 good answers here. Why did the shopkeeper have to wait so patiently? Because the customer was looking in their pockets for the exact change. Here it is in the passage. Had the customer been to the shop before? Yes, we think they had. The customer said, "See you next week," and that suggests that they are a regular customer and perhaps often come to the store.